आजकल आउटफिट स्टाइल करना काफी इजी हो गया है, बट वन फैक्टर दैट एक्चुअली डिसाइड वेदर एन आउटफिट वर्क्स इन रियल लाइफ इज योर फुटवेयर। और जब कंफर्ट नहीं होता तो आउटफिट सिर्फ लुक के लिए रह जाता है। सो इन दिस वीडियो आई एम स्टाइलिंग 4 आउटफिट्स बट फोकसिंग मेनली ऑन comfort first footwear. Well, for this video I'm trying out these footwears from Fredo. They are comfort focused brand and I will be styling 4 different types of footwear with 4 different types of outfits. So let's go. So starting with the first one. So this is the Fredo Cloud Comfort shoes. Appearance wise it looks very minimal and clean, and this navy blue color makes it easy to style with most casual outfits. Comfort wise, shoes feels very light and breathable thanks to the neat design. So even after wearing for long hours, feet doesn't feel suffocated. They have a foot shaped toe box, which means toes get proper space and don't squeeze like regular shoes. Another important thing is zero drop sole, which means even heel to toe level, which helps maintaining natural posture. They also have high perform insoles, which keeps your feet supported all day and making it comfortable for all day wear. They also have slip resistant outsoles and are machine washable. So overall it's very practical everyday comfort shoe. So I have styled these shoes with a casual and comfort outfit that you can wear for your work, travel or daily use. Moving on to the second one. This is the Fredo Cloud Comfort Arch Support Sleepers. Appearance wise it has very clean and minimal look and this olive green looks quite subtle. घर के लिए भी और quick outdoors use के लिए भी काफी सही लगता है. अब comfort की बात करें so the biggest highlight here is the built-in arch support. It actually aligns feet and improve posture. The cushioning feels soft and supportive and the shock absorbs shocks and keeps your feet fatigue free. नीचे एंटी स्किड रबर सोल मिलता है तो ग्रिप सिक्योर रहता है इंडोर हो या बाहर. Overall, this is all-day comfort sleeper. So I have styled this sleeper with a very relaxed outfit that works for home, travel, yeah, short errands. Now moving on to the next one. So this is Fredo Men Orthopedic Sandal. Appearance wise again looks very minimal and clean and black color makes it versatile. Casual outfit के साथ भी easily style हो जाता है and even works for everyday wear. अब comfort की बात करें so this sandal comes with orthopedic footbed which really helps to reduce your foot fatigue and built-in arch support that keeps you aligned and balanced. Toe ring grips gives you stability and comfort, keeps the foot properly in place. They also have adjustable dual strap and premium leather uppers that mold to your fit. And नीचे anti-slip rubber outsole मिलता है for secure walking on different surface. Overall, this is again very practical everyday comfort sandal. I have styled it with relaxed outfit for long walks as well. Perfect. Now moving to the last one. This is Fredo Puneri Chappal and honestly this one beautifully blends traditional style with everyday comfort. Appearance wise tan brown color looks very rich and classy and overall the design has that authentic Puneri vibes. Obviously festive outfit के साथ अच्छा लगता है and even for daily ethnic wear. Comfort wise it comes with memory foam cushioning that adapts to your foot shape plus a wide toe box so toes feel relaxed and natural while walking. You also get zero drop sole which helps keep the posture aligned and balanced, especially long hours पे भी strain feel नहीं होता. The anti-skid EVA sole gives good grip and adjustable strap ensures a secure, comfortable fit. So overall, this is a very versatile ethnic footwear. Goes with every of your ethnic outfits. I have styled this Fredo Puneri Chappal with very casual ethnic wear and still feels very comfortable enough for all day wear. So that's it for this video. 4 different outfits and 4 different footwears from Fredo, all focused on everyday comfort. Personally, I liked how each pair worked for different situations without compromising on style. थोड़ा styling, थोड़ा comfort, both balanced. All this footwear comes in different colors and different sizes. You can check out. Link is available in the description. And you can also use my coupon code Piyush11 for additional 10% off on all the products. Let me know which footwear you would actually wear. I'll be seeing you next video then. Bye bye.